Ready to refresh your podcast and captivate a new audience? Let's transform your podcast on Buzzsprout. Beginning with your dashboard, log in and locate your podcast settings via your rebranding command center. First, visual appeal. Let's update your podcast artwork. Click on podcast artwork and upload your fresh, captivating cover art. Ensure it's square, crisp, and embodies your new brand personality. Remember, this is often the first impression. Next, let's revise your podcast name and description. Click Edit Podcast Details and input your updated podcast name, accurately communicating your revamped identity. Afterwards, rewrite your podcast description to reflect your show's new direction and target audience. Keep it concise, engaging, and use targeted keywords. Here's the critical step: uniform branding. After modifying your name and description on Buzzsprout, complete the job by updating these details across all your podcast directories, your website, and social media. Review your podcast's listings on Apple Podcasts, Spotify, Google Podcasts, and other platforms you use. Give your podcast a makeover, but consistency is key. Your listeners need a smooth transition, so confirm that all your branding components are unified and observe your rebrand. Attract new listeners.